Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide online status on Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide online status on Viber, first open up your Viber app, and after opening your Viber app guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there's a three-dotted icon where it says more. At the bottom right corner, tap on more and you'll land on this interface where you can see the settings option available for us. Tap on settings, and over here tap on privacy, which is just below the account, and over here your resets share online status. You can change this setting once every 24 hours. Make sure that's turned off, where it also says if you have already turned off the online status, the setting can be changed once 24 hours. We will notify you when you can change it. Tap on OK. So with that being said guys, if there's a tick mark, turn it off and the online status will be hidden on Viber on the second one guys. And alright, this is how to hide online status on Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.